Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat login error. Firstly, check your internet connection. Is it's connecting or not? If it's not connecting, then open the Wi-Fi or data and check the app. And if it's still not working, then switch Wi-Fi to data or data to Wi-Fi. And it's still not working, turn on the airplane mode for few seconds, then turn it off. It is still not working. You might be need to check the any update available or not. If you are Android user, go to the Play Store. If you are iPhone user, then go to the App Store. Then go to the search and search the app. If you see there any update available, then update it. Go back to the app and check it again. If that's work, that's good. If that doesn't, then go to the your phone setting and go to the your app management and clear cache. Then go to the app list and search their application for application name and type on the application and go to the storage and cache. And if you see there killer cache, then tap on the killer cache. And sometimes storage also might be problem for the app, and to clear storage and tap on the delete. After all doing this, and check the app again, and if it's still not working, then you might to ask for help Snapchat supporting team. And sometimes internet or any kind of server issues are also might be app not login, and wait for a few seconds. Then if it is still not working, then restart your device or phone and check it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are liked it. If it video helps you, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.